So I'm Dr. Silpa Owich, the Associate Director for Women and Youth Banking. Today we are here elated to come and celebrate our 15th anniversary of the Equity Wings to Fly and Elimu Scholarship Program. We are here today at the 15th Congress, and this Congress is happening in other 19 regions with around 24,000 scholars. These 24,000 scholars are going to join the other cohort that have finished, making about 60,000 scholars so far who have gone through Wings to Fly. Now, Wings to Fly is a comprehensive scholarship that we offer to our students that takes care of their education, takes care of their health, takes care of their shopping. And what you are doing today is just to come and offer them our unwavering support and commitment that we are with them, and whatever they're going through, we are with them. So here with us today, we have 1,700 scholars in Kisii. This is scholars coming from 6 constituencies who are sitting here with us today. They've been here for the last 3 days, and what you're trying to do is to mentor them. And we've been having a lot of mentorship that has been taking place for the last 3 days from our education experts, from our private sectors, from our religious leaders. And today we marked our final day with the students. Our theme for this year was basically the 3 key areas that we're trying to push the students to focus on, which is education, which is empowerment, and the third one is leadership. We know very well that without leadership, without education and empowerment, then there cannot be leadership. So here we're just trying to tell them that they should focus on their education. We are there to support them, and education will not stop. It's a continuous education. They have to empower each other and also give back to the community. That is the reason we're here today. Presenting our group Chief Executive Officer and what our promise we have for the students. I think is very clear. For the scholars who are going to attain A- and above, they are going to be given a direct internship in Equity Bank. And this is an internship that they'll be given to support them as they're waiting to go to the university. It's a 6-month internship, paid internship. And from the session you've seen some of them coming to confirm about that internship that is happening. So from us, we are saying that any student who attains A- and above, there's that internship. And more above that, we are looking towards supporting them also go to the global universities to just enhance the education. The ones who are going to attain B+ and below, they are also having, they can get into the universities or TVETs, and with that, we can still have as an opportunity with them to train them and to mentor them in those particular organizations as they achieve, as they work towards achieving their dream. Thank you. As Equity, as you can see, the Wings to Fly, we not only have support the people from this region, but we have support from other regions and the ones that you're just talking about. We talked about 19 sessions going through. One of them is actually in those areas that we are discussing. So as Equity Bank, we are supporting